and Vicky, I hate you for this. Okay? No, I'm not fucking biting it, you can piss off.
Cheat? Why not sniff their cheese?
Excuse me, this sounds really wrong. Can you please rephrase that? First of all, I am not Welsh. I really need to wash my hands. Oh no! This is Saint Agur, which is Stilton. Oh god, it's all so.
Squidge it a little bit.
No. Oh my god, that is disgusting.
You can throw up.
I'm just. Oh, it's stuck to my thumb. Oh.
Big sniff. You're making me feel sick just heaving.
No. No. Making me heave.
Oh my god, Sass! I'm so proud of you! You really did it!
It's not my tongue!
Chew quickly.
No.
It's mustard.
It's not my tongue!
It's mustard, it's gonna be hot.
Piss.
There's bits in her mouth, my tongue.
If we gave you money, would you drink milk?
How much money are we talking about?
$5 each.
Fiver?
Just so it's £10 total.
£10, would you drink, pass the glass, would you drink this much milk?
For Vicky.
For Vicky, yeah.
Oh.
Get in the camera to say it. In the camera. Say it on the camera. I will drink
Can I
it.
please have a drink?
Yes, go ahead.
I will drink. Oh, thank you.
Ugh.
Vicky, hang on, I want to drink that, I want to drink that. Let me drink. Yes.
For £10, will you drink this half glass of milk?
It's milk.
This is what you need. You need
Even
to throw up.
smelling it made me
Ugh.
almost throw up. That's the thing.
Would you do it for Vicky? Come on. Milk. Okay. Was that you can hold your nose, which will make it better. It won't cure it, but it'll make it better.
You know what? Fuck it, Vicky. I hate you, but I love you at the
You're gonna
same
do it?
time. Yeah.
Should we do it at different corners? Recording for the same one?
Well, we're gonna have. You can just cut a little bit out, can't we? Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay. Say my name is Simon. Pronounce it. Go.
My name is Simon Dove, and this is me drinking milk.
For a tenner because you're a slut.
For a tenner because I am a slut. I'm a milk slut.
Drinking milk now, good boy. Hit strong bones.
Sniffing milk makes me sick, and so does drinking it on
Oh
its
yeah.
own. So
you want to just head towards the bin as you drink it, yeah? Go, £10, do it. Go, don't even think about it. You did it! Oh my god, you actually thrown up? Sam, I think he's thrown up. I'm not clearing up. No. Yeah.